Morning, children. Welcome to the AVS class. As we have already started with the chapter shelter, today we'll deal with the topic that how a good home should be, and it is called as features of a good home. Okay, what all things are required for a good home? So let us begin. Okay, now Now, children, the house that we live in, what is a home? Where you are living with your family members. Okay, it is called as a home. Just now you're staying in the home. Okay, so the house that we live in is called home. Now, how should be a good home? A good home should have a plenty of windows and ventilators. Why, children? Because they let in the fresh air and sunlight, and it let out stale air. Do you know what is stale air? Stale air means the bad air, the impure air. Okay, and it is very important. Each house, imagine a house with no windows and doors. What will be the condition of the house? Why? Because when we open the window, what happens is that the sunlight enters a house. Okay, then it kills the germs which are present in the air. Okay, and it helps us to stay healthy. Everybody knows nowadays the sunlight is very important nowadays, children. And if you're not able to move out of your house, you see to it that you stand in the balcony or you stand on the terrace and take the vitamin D. For at least 15 minutes you should be in the sun. Okay, now how a good home should be neat and clean. Now see, two type of the room has been shown in this in this picture. Okay, the first one, A, it is not good. Okay, this is this should not be the condition of a house. A house should be like this. The things should be in the proper place. Okay, a good home should be neat and tidy. In a good home, things are kept in the proper place. Pest, you know what are pest? Huh? If you keep your house dirty, the pest will enter the house like mosquitoes, cockroaches, rats, and the flies. They are called as pest. Okay, and if you keep your house clean, you will keep out these pests, these insects like mosquitoes, cockroaches, rats, and flies. And if the rooms are not being cleaned properly, and if it is like this, the pest will enter and will spread the diseases because they come from the gutters and from where I don't know, from the garbages they come and they carry along with them the bacterias, है ना? And this will spread the diseases. Okay, so pest means the insects. So all the rooms should be cleaned regularly. The kitchen, the bathroom, and the toilets should always be kept clean and dry. Okay, a good home should be neat and tidy. In a good home, things are kept in their proper place. See how nice it is. Like, it gives a soothing effect when we see a neat and clean room. Aha, look here. If you're not keeping it properly, see, these are the wonderful guests who enters the house, unwanted guest. They enter and they have a very gala time and they spread the diseases. So we should keep our kitchen, bathrooms, and the toilet should be kept clean. The water should be planted regularly. We should water the plant, okay, and then we should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, children. Yes, see, we should every day water the plant. The washer should not. If we have grown the plant, we need to take care. We should throw the rubbish in the dustbin. See, look here how nicely they are in the good manners. It comes under good manners also. Okay, healthy habits, children. Yes. Okay, this is what we should do. And then, very important, we should what? We should not waste water, food, electricity, children. Now it is see, there's some few rules are written over here. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Take shorter bath. Don't sit for a long in the bathroom. Turn off the tap while applying the soap. Turn off the tap after each use. And don't flush the tissue paper or waste into the toilet because it may block the gutter line. Okay, here wastage of water. This is not the way, all wrong. This is all the wrong way. And here, see, unnecessarily nobody is there, and see the TV is on. Anna, the electricity is been wasted over here, and here they are wasting the food. This is not good, beta. Anna? Next, so how should be a house? A house should be good and clean house. A house can be small or big. It can have one or more room. There are three essential features of the good house. It should be well lit, it should be airy, it should be clean. Okay? And living in a clean house help us to stay healthy and happy. Insects and the germs are found in dirty places and spread diseases. So living in a dirty house can make us ill. So see to it that a house is neat and clean. Okay. Now let us begin with the worksheet, children. Let us begin. Question number 1. Circle the things. Here it is written. Circle the things which help us to keep the house clean. Soap, no. Second picture also no. Yes, it's a vacuum cleaner, so we will circle. We need broom and we need bucket. These three things we need to clean the house. Next, okay, what do we do here? Now you just see. Now they have shown the room, children. Okay, the first is a bedroom. Okay, so what we do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. So we have to write we sleep in the. You write on the first line, huh? We sleep in the bedroom. This is I. It's a bedroom. Okay. What is the next picture? Yes. What is the next picture? The next picture is of a kitchen. What we do in the kitchen? We cook food in the kitchen. So we cook food in the kitchen. Sorry. KITC. Okay. Next now. That is bathroom. We take bath in the bathroom. We have bath in the bathroom. We take bath in the bathroom. Okay, and this last one is the living room. So what we do? We sit in the living room. We sit and talk, and we sit, whether you keep your sofa. We sit in the living room. Okay. Now we go to the next. Question number 3. Complete the following sentences using the correct words. Okay. Now see the first one. Now number 1. In a good home, things are kept in a, yes, just now I spoke to it. It is kept in a proper place. It is kept in proper place. Okay. Next, it lets in the fresh air and sunlight. Who let in the fresh air and sunlight? We are talking about the windows and ventilators. It means windows and ventilators lets in fresh air and sunlight. Yes, and what they do? The fresh air and sunlight enters and then let out stale air. That is impure air. Okay, AIR. And let out the stale air. It means windows and ventilators. Here again it means they're talking about the sunlight, children. Okay, sunlight kills the germs present in the air and help us to stay healthy. And help us to stay healthy. Okay. Next, what will happen if we do not clean our house regularly? Then what will happen if you are not keeping your house regularly? Yes, the pests will enter. Pests will enter our house and will spread diseases. Will spread diseases. Diseases. Okay. Next, if a house has no ventilation, then what will happen? If a house has no ventilation, it will not get fresh air. It will not get fresh air. AIR, it is AIR, fresh air and sunlight, which is very important. LIGHT, this is AIR air. Okay, children. Next, now, okay, this has been repeated. Sorry, beta. Now we come to the question number 5. This question, the previous one, this we have done, so it has been repeated. Okay. Now we come to question 5. Here we leave it to you. In every EVS worksheet, we have kept one question. So wherein the children can do it on your own and should enjoy it. Here the question is, draw and color the house that you live in. Okay. You draw it beta and color it. Okay. Okay. Thank you beta. God bless you.